I would like to review the N4 dash cam Vantrue. You can actually, it's actually a lot clearer than what my phone's showing off. I'm not sure why my phone's got this glare to it, but this thing is awesome. You can use it as a backup camera by pushing this button right here. That's the forward camera for what's in front of me. And then you can see the inside of the car, or the minivan actually. I do have 5% in the rear for my windows, and I mean, it's clear. I can literally, it's a lot clearer than what the picture's showing. I'm not sure why my phone's not showing it very clear, but I mean, you could use this thing as a backup camera if you actually had to. I love it. This is the best camera ever. I used to have the N2 Pro and actually have it in that car, but this camera is really nice. And I have a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I was able to hide the wire all the way around. Can't see the wire at all in here. It's hidden all the way back there and to the very back. Let me pop the trunk. See, it's 5% tint. You cannot see through this at all. In the back, the camera, the rear camera, you can actually move this any direction you want. It sticks right on the window. I mean, it's pretty good 5%. You cannot see through even looking straight up, but this camera can see straight through it. It's very good. I mean, awesome. Back to the camera. It's got a lot of different functions to it. It's pretty easy to run. It automatically starts up, stops every time I turn my car on. It does have a USB plug-in on the light down here. Let's see if I can show you. It's kind of dark. It does have a USB down there in the bottom by the light. It just gives you extra ports. This thing is really nice. I love it. It's the best camera ever. Thank you.
That $1,000 is going to be given away right after Zach Brown Band on 98.7 WMZQ. I hope you win it.
I got my toes in the water, toes in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Well, the plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars with their own prison bars, like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther. I'm surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, toes in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Adios and my condios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and via condios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big one and grab my guitar and play. that I just couldn't leave, and I better do to my friends. Cause my bartender, she's from the islands, her body's been kissed by the sun. Coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. I got my toes in the water, toes in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Adios and bye, Cornelius, a long way from PA. Yes, and all the muchachos, they call me Big Papa. When I throw pesos their way. Adios and bye, Cornelius.